Air conditioning! Should have shaved. Oops. Crap! Woohoo! Wow. I'm on step 19. There's like 37 of these. Golly, my jaw hurts from talking. Holy smoke. That's not freaking right. B-roll I download from another service. A service added from another service. There's jokes there, and I ain't touching them with a 10-foot boom pole. Possibly add some B-roll I download. Let's try this again. Okay. This time it's gonna be perfect, and if it isn't, I'm gonna punch myself in the face. It may seem like a lot of work, and it is, but I'm trying to keep the... Here's something cool. Make sure you hit the damn button on the camera or you'll get a bunch of audio. Who quality assured this script? Let's punch him in the face. It's important when you mess up to go... You gotta watch in these long videos because, you know, they're long. Wow. My mouth is getting tired. I hate you. You didn't practice your lines. You're fired. This helps when you mess up, when you go... Yeah!